Hello again, and welcome back to my channel here. Firstly, apologies for the absolutely terrible audio quality on my last video. Just as I was wrapping up, I dropped my phone, which had my Rode condenser mic attached to the side of it, which is now irreparable. So sorry about that. I thought I would share, having issued my one-handed makers challenge at the weekend, some more of my one-handed woodworking tips. Now, it stems from my project I started the last couple of days, which is, here is the base, my modular build project. I've started a new one, this one for a bike shed. If you look in my previous videos, you'll see I've done the one for the cold storage. Now, that one was pretty straightforward because it was only 4 foot by 2 foot OSB. So this time I'm working with 8x4s, 11mm OSB. Now, what I've got to do is I've got to be able to move the OSB so it's heavy but not too heavy, you know, only one arm that works, you know what I mean. So but I've got to attach a 3x2 treated frame around the outside of it. So how do you do that then? Well, it took me a day or so with some techniques that will never ever see the light of day again, but I figured it out, all right, because I'm going to have a lot of these to do, fingers crossed, if I get round to building my workshop in the summer. So a few little one-handed woodworking techniques and tips for you. Hope you enjoy it. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Done.